Hello, and welcome to this video tutorial on how to perform the manual white calibration. You should only be here if you attempted a quarterly or annual test and received error messages while calibrating white levels, or if your test produced a failure. To manually calibrate our monitor white levels, we must make the following changes within the XCal menu. Assuming your test errored trying to run the white calibration test in the prior video, uncheck the white calibration option. Then, down below, place a check next to the max loom option. Finally, at the bottom of the XCal window, we will click Run to launch the test. We see a testing square appear on our first reading monitor. Hold the puck flat against the monitor into the testing square, ensuring that the puck is flat on the monitor. Please be sure you aren't putting more than enough force against the puck to keep it flat against the monitor. Click Start at the bottom of the testing square to start the white level measurement. Please refrain from moving the puck around at this time. This test usually lasts about 10 seconds per monitor. When the test is finished, the testing square disappears from your main reading monitor and reappears on your secondary reading monitor. Move the puck to the testing square in the second reading monitor. Holding it flat on the monitor, click the Start button to resume testing. Back at the XCal menu, click the Refresh button to show the values that were just measured. These levels should be between 215 to 270. If they are in this range, but you've still failed in prior tests, use the next step to continue increasing your white levels. To fall into the 215 to 270 range, we must manually adjust your monitor's brightness level using the buttons on the monitor. This panel shows the buttons on the monitor. Buttons 1 to 5 control menus, and button number 6 is the power button used to turn the monitor on or off. We will now use these buttons to adjust the brightness of our monitor. To do this, first press the menu button on the front of the monitor to show the on-screen display. Press the plus button, then the menu button to bring up the brightness and contrast settings. Push minus and menu to edit the brightness. Press the plus button to increase the brightness. Increase the level by 10 increments. Finally, push the menu button to exit the on-screen display menu. If you have an HP monitor, this process is very similar. We'll use the menu button to access the on-screen display. We'll then use our plus button to navigate through the menu to find brightness. Press OK to enter brightness settings. Then the plus button to adjust the brightness up by 10 units. Press OK when finished. Then repeat the process on your second monitor. When you're finished adjusting your monitor's brightness, turn your attention back to the XCal window. We will need to again run the max loom test to remeasure our new white levels. Click the Run button when you're ready to run the test again. At this time, please again hold the puck flat against the monitor in the middle of the testing square and click Start when you are ready. When the first monitor is finished, the test pattern will move to the second monitor, where you should repeat the test. With the testing of both monitors again complete, you are returned to the XCal menu. Click Refresh to show the newly measured values, which should be higher than before. If they don't fit into the 215 to 270 range, you may have to manually adjust the monitor brightness again and run the test again until your values are within that range.